Wait, hold up. Why all y'all not in this lobby party? What? Man, we got an invitation from a dude named Player 2. Player 2, you got some explaining to do. Man, I ain't invite these dudes. I don't know who these people is. Well, anyways, forget all that. Since y'all here, y'all want to do a challenge? Oh, yeah. All right, now listen. Y'all got the character pass, right? Oh, yeah. All right, everybody, put on y'all favorite skin, the character pass, and I got a plan. Alright, player one. What's the plan, girl? Alright, y'all. So y'all skins, right? So y'all finna go to the specific location that which skin you will. So you Scar, right? You go to Scar place, you Marvin, go to Marvin place, you Professor Asia, go to Professor Asia place, and I'm Tracy. I'm gonna go to the casino. Alright, y'all, let's do it! Alright, y'all. We finna do this. Alright. So y'all ready? Yeah! I'm kind of scared. I'm going to the military by myself. Hey, if y'all die, we can't help y'all. I'm just saying, like, Lord. War is on. All right, y'all. I made it to my location, safe and sound.
Oh! Hey!
Looks like I've been spotted. Let's handle this.
Hey!
Y'all ain't jump me. Thought this one.
Hey! Oh, you lied, baby!
Hell no! Alright, y'all. I completed my location. How y'all looking over there, Lord? Oh Lord, I'm sneaking around. I don't see Scar yet. Oh, there he go right there. I got my weapon. How y'all looking over there? Alright, I got mine. Lord, let's do this. And I just picked up mine too. Ain't game time. What the? Player one, look what we find. Oh my God. Dang. Hey y'all, we gonna have to work too. Yeah. Here we go. Do something about something.
I got a minigun too, you helicopter.
Lord! Oh, Lord! I'm running out of ammo! Jesus!
Hey, y'all, I'ma handle this round with. Don't worry, I got it!
Oh, Lord! Mayday! Oh!
I have eyes on the target! Fire! And y'all, I'm taking the helicopter!
Y'all had ran out of ammo, but I got this bomb for that last helicopter. Jesus, we done lost our bomb. What the? Oh, Lord. Oh, they just attached to my helicopter. Oh, y'all, we did it. Jesus, boy, them bombs weapons strong. They can knock down 3 helicopters. Yeah, you're right. Jesus.